Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how rupees 10 lakhs can transform your financial life. Let us understand a very important quote by Charles Ellis. In investing, avoiding mistake is more important than chasing high returns. Normally we as people and as investors try to chase returns than being invested for a long duration. So we need to understand the loser's game in investing. The key principle in investing is to avoid mistakes. That is, not to chase high returns. Just like in sports, fewer mistakes, more success. So stop chasing luck-based wealth. Many a times you see on YouTube and television that get rich quick investment offers. They're often luck driven and not sustainable. Rather, we need to focus on building consistent, risk managed wealth over a period of time. Now, wealth building takes time. We need to focus on sustainable investment pattern. So how does first 10 lakhs play a very important role in laying a financial foundation? Well, first, once you have rupees 10 lakhs as a starting amount, it acts as a shield against emergencies and bad financial decisions. It also helps to avoid expensive loans. For example, you might require a small loan amounting 2 lakh rupees. For that, you need to pay 15 to 16% of rate of interest. And for that, you have to pay 1.28 lakh rupees of interest in 5 years. Instead, if you can invest that EMI and get reversible income, that is additional of around 6 lakh rupees in 5 years. That is how things start to work once you have accumulated balance of 10 lakh rupees in your account. Now, another important aspect is momentum. Like you have a car on a highway, your saving gains speed and reduces effort over a time. So once you have your first 10 lakhs and it starts growing at 10%, you would be getting 1 lakh rupees a return per year. This is 10x more than saving 1 lakh and getting rupees 10,000. How beautiful it is. So it's important to have a considerable milestone and you will start building on that milestone. Also, we need to understand the power of SIPs and stepping it up annually. Now, once you understand how important it is for you to increase your SIPs every year, you will understand it after 10 years of compounding. Just imagine you start investing with 10,000 rupees with 12% returns and you do a step up of 8%, which is normally your salary hike. You would be making 25 lakhs in 4 years, 50 lakhs in 8 years, and 1 crore in 13 years. And if you have a starting amount of 25,000 SIP and you do 8% of annual increase at 12% return, you are going to get 1 crore in just 10 years. This is how the eighth wonder in the world, that is the law of compounding, works for you. So how do you develop good financial habits and make it a part of your routine? First is to have a base of 10 lakhs. Then you start building habits of budgeting, creating an emergency fund, having important life and health insurance, having delayed gratification. Let's suppose you want to purchase something and instantly go and buy it. Rather than think for a period of time and then make a decision whether it is really required for you to make that purchase, you need to have a financial discipline as well. Well, let's talk about some of the real benefits of 10 lakh base amount. Well, first is, as I already discussed, you'll have a peace of mind during emergencies. You will have the freedom to choose better job offers and negotiate salaries, flexibility to handle lifestyle expenses with less stress, and you are no longer in the survival mode. So how do you go about it? How do you build an action plan that is going to help you create the 10 lakh fund corpus? First is to track your expenses and income using Excel and budgeting app. Set a goal, build your first 10 lakhs for the next 2 to 4 years. Start an SIP, even if it is as small as 5,000 a month. Avoid big financial mistakes. Do not invest or take loans which do not yield any results or give you any returns. Have an emergency fund of 1.5 or 3 lakhs minimum. Review and grow your SIP by 10% yearly. Don't stop at 10 lakh, let it compound and keep growing. As I said, discipline and good habits matter more than high income. 10 lakhs is not just money, it's proof that you are in control.